Hey fam, hey guys, hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to, I wanted to scream but my voice just did one crooked sense. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Diary of an Abuja Mom. Yes, I'm a mom of 3, Gina, Ife and Ola. Today I'm so excited, that's why you see my hand doing, you know. So today we're having a girls night out, girls night out, and I'm so happy guys, because like it's been a long time I did a girls night out. I think I did it last maybe in 2018 or 17, I can't remember, but we're doing a girls night out today. So this is my look. What do you guys think? Really simple, classy. I felt like I should use a belt, and then I also felt like I should pack my hair, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Good morning. So this is the next day guys. I had fun last night. I had so much fun guys. Sorry I couldn't video it because it was so dark. Like, I'm going to put a clip. I've already put a clip so you guys can see that it was really dark, so there was no use videoing really. So but we had fun, danced, you know. If you come and show them your teeth guys, see your bright guy. Let me increase the brightness so you can see your favorite Abuja song. I can carry you. Are you that big? See your teeth. Show them your teeth.
Can they see it?
Yes. Ife's teeth fell yesterday, and he was so excited. But Ife has lost his tooth too. Ife, you lost your tooth. Ife was supposed to keep it under his pillow for the tooth fairy, and he lost it. So sorry.
Do we have to look for it?
We have to, baby. We have to.
Well, when my other tooth falls off, can I get it this time?
This time I will keep it myself, so that you
maybe you can keep it in your room. Or when it's sleepy, when it's time to sleep, I can have it.
Yes. You can turn off the tap for me. Hi guys. So I went to bath baby this morning, and I think I'm supposed to go to the market today. I'm not sure. No, I might go to the market today to buy things for soup. If I don't go today, it will not be on Monday. And then I'll go and talk to the tailor. I don't know if she'll be in her shop today. I have to go also discuss with the tailor so that we can start making our clothes. Yeah. Our DSTV was giving us wahala. We did dual view. The one in the parlor is showing, the one in the room and the kids' room wasn't showing. So the DSTV guy that came said because the box our old box has expired and just plenty things. So he took it to go and fix it. He's going to fix it on Monday. You know, the crowd, if you go to DSTV office here in Abuja, the main office, like the crowd is something else. So he's taking it to the head office and he will do it. That's on Monday. He said he cannot go today because if he doesn't go there before 8, he doesn't bother again because the crowd. So he's going on Monday. Hopefully he brings it on Monday to fix it. Because guys, I'll be paying DSTV. My room, my kids' room will not be showing. It's so annoying. Like, it's just like a waste of money, and I pay for that premium one. Like, it's for, I don't know if it's cheap for some people, but for me that's in the cost. Like, every month you're paying 20,900 naira, and somehow you cannot watch your room and your kids' room. It's only the parlor, and you know how kids can be. Sometimes they don't watch anything in my house again. If the kids finish watching their own, how people start watching his football and his fighting and all those things. So I don't even watch anything, and I'm the one paying. Like, we have to fix that. So it's not because I'm the one paying, but he's paying me. I'm not like, Anyways, so let me take care of baby and the house and cook. Hubby is actually cooking this morning, so I can't wait because he cooks the best pasta and the best rice and the best just anything pasta-ish, rice-ish, noodle-ish. Hubby is like, you know, for me, soup, yam porridge, beans, you know, I'm like, so yeah. Bye guys, bye. Let me bad baby.
You can plan it, I really thought that I would have it mostly figured out by now. Tired of them bringing me down. It's automatic and it's tragic, cause it matters. Every second that I lose, I wish I could get back to always. Not that it would just feel right. I've been looking my whole life.
If you to the look to the left, to the yeah, you look good. Your hair is so fine. Did you say thank you to him?
I need to bob my hair.
He needs to barb his hair. I know. He knows. He will barb it, don't worry.
But I'm gonna